This 2011 Forest River Georgetown 360DS is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, LP detector, TV antenna, refrigerator, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, skylight, water heater, air conditioning, TV, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bath and a half. This 2011 Forest River Georgetown 360DS is built on a Ford F-53 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevel's RV.